If you believe soaking chia seeds is straightforward, you might want to reconsider. It's possible that you're doing something perilously incorrect. Every single person makes these 5 major errors in judgment. It's even possible that one of them might prevent your body from absorbing nutrients and cause you to feel bloated for many hours. Don't worry, however, since we are about to repair all 5 of them. Little seeds, but a lot of power. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. On the other hand, if you soak them incorrectly, you will lose half of the advantages, or even worse. Furthermore, it is possible that you are causing more harm than good. Let's go over the 5 most common mistakes that people make, as well as ways in which you may truly get the most out of each and every mouthful. Why proper preparation matters. As you can see, the majority of individuals are unaware of this. The effectiveness of chia seeds is directly proportional to the manner in which they are prepared. You cannot simply immerse them in a glass of water and anticipate miraculous results. As a matter of fact, if they are soaked improperly, they might result in abdominal discomfort, increases in blood sugar, and a blockage of nutritional absorption. How you eat chia seeds is more important than whether they're healthy. So, if you do any of the 5 things below, you're limiting your potential. Make sure you stay until the very end, especially for the 5th error they made. You may not be feeling the effects of chia seeds, even though you've been using them for weeks. This is something that the majority of people never discuss. Number 1. Soaking in cold water. Most individuals simply add chia seeds to cold water straight from the faucet and proceed. It is true that it functions, but not very well. How come? Cold water slows down the process of hydration. Chia seeds can absorb moisture, which results in the formation of a gel-like consistency. However, when using cold water, this process might take many hours. Even yet, it does not completely activate the enzymes that assist in the digestion and absorption of the nutrients. In its place, what should we do? Make use of water that is either warm or at room temperature. The temperature is not boiling, but rather slightly heated. It has the effect of accelerating the gel process and assisting in the release of additional nutrients that are concealed inside the seeds. A bonus tip: add a very small amount of lemon juice. Vitamin C contributes to the enhancement of mineral absorption. Number 2. Soaking for too short or way too long. Almost everyone makes a mistake in this regard. The chia seeds are either soaked for 5 minutes or left to sit for 24 hours. Both notions are not good. Ingestion of chia seeds prior to their complete gelling can cause them to absorb moisture from the digestive tract, which may result in dehydration or even a blockage. To put another way, chia seeds that are either dry or not adequately hydrated might actually induce pain in the stomach. But if they soak too long, over 24 hours, they may ferment, causing a bitter, bloated taste. Could you please let me know where the optimal point is? In warm water, soak them for 15 to 30 minutes. It is sufficient time for them to attain complete hydration without transforming into a peculiar jelly mess. Number 3. Using the wrong liquid. Some individuals use water to soak chia seeds. Others consume juice. Some people even try alternative milks like almond or oat milk. However, there is a catch. Not all liquids are created equal. Consider this. Stay away from liquids that are high in sugar, such as orange juice that is concentrated. Both your blood sugar and digestion will be disrupted as a result of this. It defeats the objective. The calcium in dairy milk can bind to some nutrients, such as iron, and reduce the amount of those elements that are absorbed. Warm filtered water, unsweetened coconut water, almond milk, no added sugars, and herbal teas such as ginger or chamomile are the products that are the best selections. Furthermore, if you want to give it a boost, add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt to it at the end of your workout to help replenish electrolytes. Number 4. Not rinsing your chia seeds. Most people don't know to rinse chia seeds before soaking. How come? Chia seeds, along with flax, sesame, and other small seeds, have the potential to contain phytic acid, which is a naturally occurring molecule that inhibits the absorption of minerals. Although chia seeds have a lesser quantity of phytic acid than other seeds, even a tiny amount can accumulate over time, making it more difficult for your body to absorb essential elements such as magnesium and zinc. Chia seeds are a beneficial source of phytic acid. A simple solution is to place your dried chia seeds in a colander with a fine screen. They should be soaked after being rinsed under warm water for 20 to 30 seconds. This minuscule step contributes to the suppression of anti-nutrients and enhances digestion. Number 5. Soaking and storing the wrong way. Suppose you have done a wonderful job in soaking your chia seeds. You are now putting them in the refrigerator for later consumption. But if you store them in plastic containers, especially with warm drinks, you risk BPA or microplastics. If the container is not airtight, keeping chia in big quantities for several days can lead to the growth of mold. This is an even more serious problem. Instead, what should we do? Make use of a glass jar that has a lid that can be sealed securely. Store 1 or 2 servings in the fridge for no more than 3 days. In addition, you should never keep chia pudding that contains fruits for an extended period of time since fruits decompose rapidly and might ruin the entire mixture. For the most possible benefit, let's review the proper approach to soaking chia seeds. This will eliminate any phytic acid that may be present. Warm or room temperature filtered water should be used. Only do these procedures for 15 to 30 minutes. Make use of clean drinks that are not sweetened, such as fruit teas or coconut water. For a maximum of 3 days, they should be stored in sealed glass jars. These seemingly insignificant adjustments significantly alter your body's utilization of chia seeds. In addition to providing greater energy in the morning, less bloating, more regular digestion, and even clearer thinking throughout the day, they can be the difference between simply eating healthily and truly experiencing the benefits of doing so. Clearer skin, improved digestion, more energy, and fewer blood sugar crashes are all benefits of this supplement. By doing this, you may harness the true power of chia. That which your body is able to employ is what really counts, not what you put into your body. Final thought. You shouldn't be fooled by the fact that chia seeds are easy to prepare. It is possible for minor errors to nullify significant health advantages. You do not need to soak them for a long period of time, nor do you require any fancy liquids. All that is required is careful preparation, the appropriate soak, and storage. And that's it. Always keep in mind that little habits that are executed well are superior to large habits that are executed incorrectly. If you have gained any new knowledge today, please feel free to click the like button. Doing so is extremely beneficial to the channel. In addition, if you want to see more low-key, no-nonsense videos about healthy lifestyles, make sure to press the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon.